Bengal has its roots in Hindu culture and Hindu tradition. And India's civilization also has its roots in Hindu culture and Hindu tradition. Nobody can change this fact, which is why if you try to remove the Bengal, there will be nationwide protest. All Hindus will come together. If you make this an issue,
आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे, आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे.
ये करना चाहते हैं तोइन जी, they want to
नहीं करने देंगे हम लोग.
ये प्रूव करना चाहते हैं पॉइंट को कि if Narendra Modi has placed a symbol of Hindu pride and Tamil pride, they want to remove it. They want to make a point to all Hindus across the country.
Arnab, just 10 seconds before you get them, you are talking to a party जिसके 2 member of parliament, T.S. Hassan और शफीरुल बर्क ने पिछले 2-3 सालों में शरिया लॉ की वकालत की थी इस देश में. So I think, I leave it at that. You can proceed with the Samajwadi Party.
So I think that it is not going to be so easy for the India Alliance, though they have got a little bit more seats this time, to target Hindu tradition, Hindu culture and Hindu symbols. And if some Hindu symbols are also associated with the great civilizational heritage of the country, they should be welcomed. Tariq Radi, you can change your position on the program tonight and explain why you are trying to do something like this.
देश बड़ा, संविधान बड़ा या धर्म बड़ा? धर्म बड़ा है कि संविधान बड़ा है? मनुस्मृति बड़ी है कि संविधान बड़ा है, ये आपको बताना पड़ेगा. मनुस्मृति में संगोल है तो इसका मतलब आप क्या चाहते हैं? अगर कोई खालिस्तान बोल रहा है तो दूसरा हिंदू राष्ट्र भी बोल रहा है. अगर खालिस्तान बोलना आतंकवाद है और देशद्रोह है तो हिंदू राष्ट्र बोलना भी, इस संविधान के तहत हिंदू राष्ट्र बोलना भी आतंकवाद है, देशद्रोह है. इस बात को सबको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए.
I take strong objection.
की बात कर रहे हैं तो संगोल.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is an attempt by, मैं explain करता हूँ आप क्या कर रहे हैं. 1 minute.
बैकवर्ड के लोगों को मारने के लिए, और तबीयत से मारते थे उस सिंगोल को. उनकी संपत्तियां जब्त करते थे, उनकी औरतों को जब्त करते थे, मनुस्मृति को सख्ती के साथ लागू करते थे. वो राजशाही का प्रतीक है और आज लोकतंत्र है. और लोकतंत्र में ही 400 पार का नारा देने वाले कहां आ गए वो भी दिख रहा है. इसलिए कोई ऐंठ ना दिखाए कि थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ गए हैं. थोड़ा सा नहीं, बहुत आगे बढ़ गए हैं. किस दिन सत्ता पलट जाए मालूम नहीं. अर्नब जी, ये आपको भी मालूम है, हमको भी मालूम है. 1 तारीख को हमने और आपने डिस्कशन किया था और मैंने आपसे कहा था कि 250 से नीचे रहेंगे. आप मान नहीं रहे थे. याद करके रखिएगा. इसलिए घमंड किसी को नहीं होना चाहिए. और सिंगोल एक किसी का भी धार्मिक
people will observe this.
किसी भी संवैधानिक संस्था में स्थापित नहीं हो सकता है.
तीन चीजें
ये चीज संविधान के द्वारा
3 चीजें मैं कहना चाहूंगा. तारिक लारी जी, तारिक लारी जी, मैं आपको
संविधान को मानते हैं कि मनुस्मृति को मानते हैं?
I would like to tell you 3 things, and please listen to me carefully and don't interrupt me. I am a Hindu. I am a practicing Hindu. I am a very proud Hindu. And you have no right to speak against my religion. I warn you against making any statements.
Who is speaking against?
I warn you against making any statements which I will see as your attempt to demean my religion. You have no right. India is 82% Hindu. And 82% of the Hindu population will feel insulted and have every right to take offense to your deliberate attempts to downgrade.
What about those percent who voted for Avdesh Prasad? According
now
to you, they are not Hindus.
My second point to you is this.
अयोध्या के लोगों को गाली बकी जा रही है. अयोध्या के लोग हिंदू नहीं हैं? अयोध्या के लोग हिंदू हैं कि नहीं है, ये बताइए. अवधेश प्रसाद हिंदू है कि नहीं है, या उनको हिंदू धर्म से निकाल दिया गया है? अखिलेश यादव हिंदू है कि नहीं है? राहुल गांधी हिंदू है कि नहीं है?
हिंदू नहीं है. Certain very objectionable thing.
One minute. Tariq Lari, I have got other panelists on the debate. I would like to bring them into the debate, but I'd like to tell you viewers, please notice. Please notice viewers.
आप देश के संविधान को नहीं मान रहे तो आप गद्दार हैं.
आप 36 और 98 सुन लीजिए, आप सुन लीजिए मेरी बात, उंगली नीचे कीजिए मान्यवर, मैं आपको उंगली दिखा के बात नहीं कर रहा।
सर म्यूजियम में रखने की चीज है, वही
आप
रखी
फर्स्ट
जाती
लेट द
है।
अदर्स स्पीक।
मम्मी भी है, मम्मी को उठा के क्या संसद में रख दिया जाएगा?
Viewers, please note that with 98 and 36 seats respectively, the Congress and the Samajwadi Party has already started targeting Hindu religion, Hindu symbols, Hindu pride. and you know,
We are
imagine,
targeting BJP.
imagine if they
We
had
are
more
targeting
seats, what they would have tried to do. And therefore, keep that in mind, viewers. Keep that in mind. And the second point is this. Second point is this. Second point is this. Don't. There is so much discrimination. There is so much discrimination among Muslims. There is so much discrimination against among Muslims. There is, but let me speak, Tariq. I am saying something to you. हिम्मत है तो सुनिए. हिम्मत है तो सुनिए. तारिक लारी जी.
You are dividing the country.
हिम्मत है तो सुनिए.
You are dividing the country. No. I won't listen
Relax,
to you.
relax,
You are dividing
relax,
the country up.
relax.
You are dividing the country.
And I
right
want to
now.
tell you again, viewers,
Yes, you are dividing
keep in
the-
mind
you are
that there
dividing
is
the
so
country.
much
You are
discrimination.
dividing the
There is
country
among
of
Muslims,
India.
there
You
is so
are
much
not allowed to
injustice
divide them.
within the
You
Muslim
are not
community.
dictator.
There is so
You
much
are not
wrong
dictator.
that has happened in the
You
name
are
of
not
Islam.
dictator.
And what the IMPLB does is so wrong. But I as a practicing Hindu never speak a word against Muslims. I as a practicing Hindu, for my religion has taught me that the greatness of my religion does not come at the cost of putting other religions down. But this man Tariq Lari believes that putting Hinduism down is part of his right, and I'm telling him, you do not have that right. You do not have that right, and you shall never have that right. And Tuin is on the debate tonight, viewers. Stay calm, viewers. This is the kind of comment we sometimes have to deal with. Stay calm, viewers. Stay calm. Stay calm. But remember how they're antis. Stay calm, viewers. Don't get agitated. Don't get agitated. But remember, watch this tonight. Watch this and remind yourself. Remind yourself. Look at him today. Look at the way he speaks about my religion. Look at the way he speaks about Hinduism. Look at the way he tries to denigrate religion. Look at the way he tries to denigrate Hinduism. Look at the way he tries to bring it down to caste. Look at the way these people speak about eradicating Sanatan Dharma. But we the Sanatanis, we the Hindus will never take this personally. We will say it is part of Tariq Lari's ignorance. It is an ignorance that makes him talk like this. It is his sheer ignorance and arrogance and contempt for other religions that makes him talk like this. Stay calm, viewers. Don't get provoked by this. Tuin Sinha, we will not allow the Sengol to be removed.
Before I talk
We will
about
not allow the Sengol to be removed.
Yeah, can I
Sengol हटाई नहीं जाएगी.